to meet you here. Today I want to show you a very smart device, F35 Portable Interactive Whiteboard to you. It's designed by Hivista, can make any projector into an interactive projector. So whatever you heard it before or not, it will not affect you to watch the following video. Firstly, let's see the third generation pen, especially for F35. Hivista changed the sensitivity of the pen trigger switch. Okay, let's see it. No matter how fast you write, every point is here. See? Very smooth. At the same time, it's more crash resistant than before. Just like normal users. Let's try it. It's working and more reliable than before. And you can also use the pen as a mouse to control your computer here. To open files, like this, bigger, close. And the user experience is really perfect. Okay, now let's see what's new of this device. As I know, its pitching angle has been increased. Wow, it's very tight. So when you installed it, there is no worries about the move or lose anymore. That's all for today. So if you are interested in more information of our products, you can contact us by email or buy it on Amazon.